Hi everyone, it's me, Chris again. I'm here to show you my dorm room. So, this is my entrance. Locked. And this is where you put your shoes. I have the slippers too, but I haven't worn them. This is all my other shoes. And got my kitchen area here. I got to do some dishes. That's from this morning. Got some chopsticks in there, hand towel. And there's my single burner, water bottle, dish soap. Go under here, I have some cleaning stuff, glass cleaner, kitchen and bathroom cleaner, some sponges, dish towels, and my laundry detergent. This is my mini fridge. I just have some drinks in there right now. That's for tomorrow. There's my soy milk, plain flavored soy milk. Got some other drinks here in case I get thirsty and feel like something. This is my closet. My closet. Same extra towel here. Some other clothes down here. Sweatshirts, PJs. Extra sheets in my swimsuit. And there's a mirror over here. Hi. Okay. Let's go. I like to keep all my clothes semi-organized here. Got shirts in here. I got some shirts in here. I actually have my underwear and socks in here and here. Okay, there's that. And this is my suitcase. Some extra garbage bags. Me attempting to separate my trash here. Apparently these are all considered burnable trash. And then I got bottles. I got some extra stuff. Snacks. This is my cereal. So happy when I found that cereal here, and it was chocolate. A few other little snacky things. This is Pocky. Bread. Animal crackers. And haha! Bono Satoshi! Found that at the Family Mart. I went for it. This is my quite messy desk right here, and that's my dinner. That's my dinner. There was like fish and some egg there too. It's pretty good. Computer, and there's some air freshener, contact stuff, books, got other medicines up here, and then this, actually I don't know if I'm going to be able to find this here. It didn't have pseudoephedrine in it, so I was able to bring it with me. Deodorant. This is actually the remote for the my aircon up there. I haven't used it really. My chair. Over here is my bed. That's kind of a mess. My backpack. It's actually quite comfortable, really. Hat and gloves, not sure if I'll ever need that. This is actually my bathroom. It's small, and I seem to be running out of room here. I need to get more shampoo and conditioner too. Shampoo, wash. The tub is really, really deep. Now, I'm only about 5 feet tall, and it's all the way up, to my leg there. And that's the shower. Actually, that's kind of cool here. See this thing? The sink? This sink works right here. And then you can also, it also works over here. And then you just flip this thing up and it'll turn on the shower. So that's pretty cool. Let's put this back here. Yeah, flush stacks, yeah, and toilet. Got extra toilet paper here, some toilet cleaning stuff back there. It fell down. Okay. Hand towel. I have my other hand towel here. I was using it as a stubber when I took a shower. And there's that. And then this toilet actually has this little flush. Little, big. So that's kind of cool, actually. Garbage bag, toilet paper. Yeah, I keep tripping over this thing here. It's like a step. Okay. And then, last but not least, I should probably show you my balcony. So it's kind of dark, so it might be hard to see. So, there we go. This, and then push this back. Yeah, it'll let me push back. Okay. I will get it eventually. Hold on. Okay, well, I sort of got it open. I can squeeze through here. It's a big step down here. And this is my balcony. This is Kasai. It's a Kasai dorm. I am on the 5th floor. And these are for to put your laundry. And it's really kind of loud out here. What did I? Anyways, let's go back in. It's a bit chilly. Okay, so I got that closed. It's kind of loose. So, got that closed. Let's close this up. What's there? Alright, and that is my dorm room. Close these.